proved that water is a blueprint for our reality, and that human consciousness and intention can actually affect water and change it.
We create 50 frozen samples of every water specimen, and frozen at minus 25 degrees centigrade. The crystals start to grow and expand as the temperature of the ice tip rises under the microscope. A beautiful hexagonal crystal with delicate trimmings growing slowly from the 6 points of the hexagonal core.
After photographing frozen water crystals from different water sources under a microscope, he began to experiment with the effects of different letters, then words, then pictures on water crystals. He would expose the water sources to the pictures, to the words, and then freeze them and photograph them to see if these things had any effect on the frozen crystals. What he came back from the microscope with is some pretty amazing stuff.
Hiromoto decided to see how thoughts and words affected the formation of untreated distilled water crystals, healing versus heavy metal music.
Wow, look at that.
What happens to the water molecules?
Over the years, this evolved into playing different pieces of music for water to see if the water structure changed, and praying over water, and then photographing it before and after he prayed over it. And what he found was so astonishing that even today, people are still trying to debunk it as pseudoscience because it has huge implications on, well, everything. And nobody wants the personal responsibility of that, I don't think. Saying nice, good, beautiful things to water, playing beautiful pieces of music to it, or offering heartfelt prayers over the water produced beautiful shapes under Dr. Emoto's microscope. But on the flip side, hateful messages and angry, disjointed music produced misshapen, ugly shapes under his microscope.